I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a day in my life vlog. This is not a typical day in my life because it's already been like half a day. Today's Friday. It's I think 15th of July and it's currently almost 3 p.m. right now. I already attended all of my classes and in the afternoon I randomly thought of vlogging, and if this is an eventful day I'll take you guys along. I'm not even sure if I'll be vlogging only one day or like a series of a few days, but let's see how this goes. Right now I need to go quickly take a bath and get ready because I'm going with my mother on a little day out sort of. So I'm gonna go get ready and here you will witness a very mediocre transition, so let's go. Wow, nobody even noticed. Okay, so I'm ready to go. Let's go get into our shoes and leave because we're already very late.
I can leave. I'm working and I'm leaving. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear it's cold? Do you want a bite of it? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above now.
Okay, so I'm back home and freshened up, took a shower, sanitized everything, and I'm sitting here with a glass of Tang because I'm dehydrated. But I went to Sarojini Nagar as you just saw, and talking about the collection there was very average. It was all mainstream things like t-shirts and stuff like that, so we didn't buy a lot of things, but I will definitely show you or eventually show you what I got. Yeah, also I wanted to apologize because I didn't post for a very long time after my last video. That was what I ate in a weekend or what I eat in a weekend video, and because this whole past week I was having my unit tests, so I was really busy with studies and everything, and hence I couldn't shoot, couldn't edit, or eventually couldn't post anything. So sorry for that. But right now I'm going to finish this tank first and then I'm going to show you what all I got. So I was able to show you a little bit of collection there, but I avoided taking out my phone a lot because there are a lot of pickpocketers around and you will never even notice. They will snatch your phone and go away. But one good thing is that the social distancing was being maintained there, which is like a rare sight to see in Sarojini Nagar. There was a lot of strictness there. They were only allowing like limited people to go into stalls and see such things, and they were also fining people for not wearing masks, for not maintaining social distancing, and that is a very good thing. Also, it was not at all a lot crowded. Like the shops and stalls have been reduced in number so that it is not very crowded. But for the things that I got, as I told you earlier, I didn't got a lot of things, but the first thing that I got is this really pretty embroidered pouch which looks deformed because it's not puffed right now. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It has a pop of color with this neon tassel embroidery which is so beautiful, and this tassel keychain. And then from the same shop I got this wallet or a pouch, wallet or small pouch. Next thing I got this pair of high-waisted black jeans which is not very visible. This is what it looks like. Then I got another high-waisted pants. These are green colored high-waisted pants, flared from the bottom, and then they have really cool pockets. The fitting is very nice, so I got this pair, and then I got a pair of these white cotton shorts, which are like embroidered, more like a chicken embroidery. And then we have not really the same in the camera, but this is what it looks like, an oversized black graphic tee, and that's it. That's all what I got. Right now I'm gonna use my phone for a bit, or like scroll Instagram through, because it's almost dinner time. It's almost 8, so I'm gonna eat dinner and then meet you. So here we have some shahi paneer, rice, papad and roti. The recipe for shahi paneer is already up, so you can watch by clicking the link. Okay, so I'm checking in after quite a bit, but right now it's, as you can see, the time is almost 10:20, and I had my dinner, I did the dishes, and then we were just talking and watching some TV and stuff. But right now I'm gonna sit and study for like 1 hour or so, because I need to complete some of my assignments and all the written work and stuff. So yeah, let's go go ahead and study for now, and then we will see. I did my studies. Then after that I went upstairs to like play cards with my cousins and stuff like that, and then it took a lot of time because we sat to talk, and now it's 12, so I'm gonna watch some Netflix. I'm seeing the second season of Never Have I Ever. I have finished quite a lot of episodes, but today I'm gonna watch the remaining episodes, and then I'm gonna close for today.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been through